What's good, YouTube? How we doing? Well, back on Blox Fruits, I guess. I got a bounty? What? 1 minute. What $3,000 bounty? Why do I got a bounty on me? What did I do? But yeah. Yesterday, forgot where we left off. That island? Maybe? What island? That island. Yeah, that one. And we're about to fight some people. What's, wait a minute, hold on. Let me see how much the boats are here. The luxury boats. Bro. Maybe I gotta turn audio up. Advance. What's luxury? How much? Miracle? What? What does it look like? Oh, Game Pass, of course. $1,000? Digital? Oh, you have to have Game Pass to buy the book. Okay. Never mind. Sloop Brigade. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna get targeted in this one, but hey. Is it that much money? Wow, and it's quick. Fight. What island? This one. Oh, yeah, it is this one. Cool. Oh, I was fighting, pirates, I think, last time. They were about to fight some more pirates, and then just leveling up, pretty much. That's all this game really is about, eh? Until I get to a high enough level where I can just fight people. But that's still a long ways away. We just gotta grind right now. How you doing? How you doing? Go ahead, give me him. Let's go box. Come on. You're doing good with the damage. There we go. Chef doing? Oh my god! That's what the chef's doing. My fault, homie. I didn't know he was a boss. Jesus Christ, man. Thought I could buy something from him. No. I could buy a face full of sword, though. Jesus. Kinda scared me. I no problem with you. party yet. I think I could just punch him out though. What was that? I'm in combat? No, I'm not. Maces. Yeah, that's them. How much damage do you do? Okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't even. It's not. Never mind. It's not like giving me a sign that I'm getting hit. You know, like I don't hear the damage marker being hit. You get me?